YouTube, Matt here again for another video. This video is going to be about the Coleus I did a couple of weeks ago. Well, 2 weeks ago actually. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it on the screen now, what it was and how I did it. Here's the Coleus that I bought 2 weeks ago, all fine and healthy, before I decided to propagate him. I like this one, it's the ruby one, I love the colours of him. As I'm all propagated now in the water, just got to leave him now to grow some roots and see how we look now. Right, so as you can see, just from that little bit of footage, you can see how it was done, propagated. So I'll just show you the plants now. There we go, look at that. In 2 weeks, you've had all this new growth. So if I really wanted to now, I could actually propagate all this again and get more if I really wanted to, but I don't really want to. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just show you what I've done. There's the 3 main plants that I had looking all healthy, and then here's all the cuttings that I did. See all the roots? So I'm going to try and pull them out. Look at all them. All we've got to do now is get a load of pots, a little bit of compost, and then get them in it, and then they'll grow like this in say 2, 3, 4 weeks. Well, maybe 3 or 4 weeks to be up at that height if we have some nice weather here. I'll just show you now how I'm going to pot them all on. Here's the first lot just taken out the jar. Look how well they've rooted. Really good. So if you just look now, I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's about 15. I could just put 1 in, and then I could have 15, but I'm not. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put 3 in each pot just to make it a lot more bushier and bigger. Right, so we've got the holes pre-done. All you got to do, really simple. If you look, try and do it one-handed again. Get the gist, stick them in, make sure the roots get in, cover them with compost, and then you're good to go. All done at last. Got them all done. That's 5-10 minutes to do that. So as you can see, I've got put 3 in each one. So hopefully they'll just grow out all nice and bushy. I had 1 spare one, so that's just going to be a single one. So when I do a little bit of a garden tour later on, maybe see a little bit of comparison. So what I can't remember what they were now. Was it 5.99, 6.99 for one of them each? Work it out. It's quite a bit of money saved. Dead easy to do. And then there's some more ones. So there's the burgundy one. That was $5.99, that one. So just look at the contrast. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. That's my next job now, to propagate all them exactly the same way. What I'll do, I'll put a little link in the top of the video about how I did it in the previous one. So if anyone's not watched that one, go ahead and watch that one. And then hopefully in the next couple of weeks they'll fill the garden out nicely and then get them all dotted about. Once again, don't forget, please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then I shall see you all in the next one. Happy gardening, everyone.